Hi everyone, my name is Mithun. In today's video, I'm going to explain about index fund. So what is index fund? Let's understand it clearly. Suppose there is one guy named Ramesh. Ramesh wants to invest in the stock market, but he is very confused. One person says, buy this. Another person says, buy that. YouTube says something else. And news says something else. Ramesh thinks, if I choose the wrong company, my company is gone. Then he asks a simple question. Is there a way to invest without choosing a company? Imagine you go to a fruit shop. There are apples, bananas, mangoes, oranges. You don't know which one is the healthiest. So what do? You buy a mixed fruit basket. Even if one fruit is bad, others will still be good. Index funds works exactly like this. Now let's understand one word first. Index. An index is simply a list of best companies. For example, Nifty 50. Top 50 biggest companies. It is like a team of champions. An index fund is a fund that copies an index. If Nifty 50 has 50 companies, the index funds buys the same 50 companies. So when you buy one index fund, you automatically invest in 50 companies at once. Index funds does not try to be smart. It does not try to beat the market. It simply says, I will copy the market. That's it. No drama, no guessing. Some funds try to beat the market. They choose stocks, they change stocks, they make mistakes. Index fund says, I will just follow the market. Funny thing is, most active funds lose to index funds over long time. If you invest in only one company and it fails, you lose big. But in index fund, you own 50 or 100 companies. If one fails, others support you. That's why index fund is more stable and safer. Active funds need big offices, big experts, big salaries. Index fund is simple, so cost is very low. Lower cost, more profit stays with you. Index fund is not for quick money. It is for patient money. If you give it time, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, it grows with the country. It grows with the business. It grows with the economy. Market will fall sometime. Market will rise sometimes. That is normal. Index fund does not fear this. It simply keeps moving forward. Index fund is perfect for beginners, busy people, people who don't want tension, people who want peaceful wealth. Remember this line. Don't try to find the best company. Just buy the best companies together. Even the world's greatest investor says, for most people, index fund is the best choice. Wealth is not built by smart tricks. It is built by time, patience, and discipline. Index fund helps you do exactly that. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.